Hi Lacey, my name is Tisha. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch my video. You and I spoke in regards to providing a custom video for your company. My main goal today is to provide some tips for increasing your online presence, traffic to your website, and generating more business leads and revenue for your company. I found your company by doing research on plumbing, heating, and air companies in your location. And so I just want to go over three different areas in which you can utilize to help with your online presence. So today we'll be talking about content, citations, and backlinks. So content is anything that can be found within the website. So any words being used, pictures, what the pictures are being saved as, what's behind the pictures, any videos. So in order to rank for Google, they do look for a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words. So I do see that you do have a lot of content here. By having a lot of content, then you're able to use more keywords. Now, keywords are the words that are being used to use in a search engine to find a company or a particular service. So the more keywords you have, the more online presence or traffic to your website you'll receive. The next would be citations. So citations are anywhere that your business name, phone number, and address can be found. So this may be in a local directory, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Better Business Bureau. So the more citations you have, the more people are able to find your website. So when typing in plumbing, heating, and air in Sacramento, this is what I discovered. So the first that we see here would be the pay-per-click. So these are the companies that are paying for each click that they receive. The next would be the map pack. Now, it's really important to actually be listed here. So that would be one of our goals, is to have your company listed here. Oftentimes people will call or go to the website of the first companies that appear. The next would be the organic search. So I'm showing that Ace Plumbing and Bonnie Plumbing are coming in as 1 and 2. So these would be your top two competitors. I was able to find your company on the second page. And I do just want to kind of point out before we get to the second page that there are paid ads that these companies are using. Now, not all ads are going to be good. Sometimes people do have ad blockers up, and so they're not able to see those ads. So that's why it's so important to actually come up on the organic search. And this is where I found your company, number 13. So we're going to be taking a look at a tool called Ahrefs. Just shows that how your website is doing. I am showing that you have 117 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that are on a website that leads back to your website. So it does generate more traffic. Now, all backlinks are going to be equal. So for example, a backlink coming from a restaurant versus a hardware store may bring in a different type of traffic. So we want to make sure that you have some good quality backlinks. What we can do is look at your competitors' backlinks and build the same backlinks for you as well to help with the traffic or increase the traffic. You're utilizing 328 keywords, bringing in about 48 people to your website per month and generating about $147 in revenue. Now, this tool is not 100% accurate, but it does show us, give us an idea how the website is doing. So the next would be Bonnie Plumbing. They have over 6,000 backlinks. They are using over 7,000 keywords. They're bringing in over 4,000 people to their website monthly and generating a revenue with that traffic over a little bit over 56,000. Some of the keywords that they're currently using, just to give you an idea. So this is what's being typed in to find their company. So again, we can always take a look at what they're using and then implement that within your website to help you generate more business. Okay, and then the last would be Ace Plumbing. They were actually in the first spot. So they have over 3,000 backlinks. They're utilizing over about 5,000 keywords. They're bringing in about 2,600 people per month to their website, and then their revenue is about $8,000 with that traffic. And then some of their keywords that they're currently using. Okay, so this is just an example. So again, we can always use some of these same keywords as well. Okay, and I did forget to show you your own keywords. So let me give you an idea of your keywords that are being used to find your company. Okay, so okay, so I hope that you have enjoyed the tips that I have provided. You're welcome to use these tips on your own. If you would like a more in-depth conversation, please give me a call at 916-378-9773. I would like to receive feedback on this video. I look forward to hearing back from you. And again, thank you so much for watching my video. You have a good day.